It's your girl Flawless Britny here back with another video. So today I'm going to be trying out a new style that I thought of, and it is feed in twist, lemonade twist basically. So anyway, my hair, I did cut my hair, you guys. If you haven't been watching my videos, you would know that I cut my hair like a few weeks ago, whatever, and I didn't mean to cut it this short, but it is what it is. Anyway, I'm using the Cream of Nature and the Expression pre-stretched braiding hair, and I only use one pack for this style. So anyway, I'm just going to apply the edge control to the roots and comb it in and smooth it out and stuff, and then I'm going to go into adding the hair into the twist. So this first twist came out kind of small. I meant to add more hair, but this is my first time doing this, and I can't see what I'm doing in the back. So, you know, I'm just trying to just go with the flow basically, you guys. So just bear with me. Don't judge too much. I know I could do a way better job on somebody else, but, you know, doing this for the first time on myself, it was a challenge. But that's how most of my hairstyles are. I tried on myself first.
Did this hoe. 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 Did this hoe.
So that's it, you guys. Let me know what you think of this style. You know, don't judge the parts and stuff like that, because you know your girl was having a hard time with no mirror. Just judge the style. You know, twist into basically feed in lemonade twist. I think that's low-key kind of cold. Like, it would have been way better if it was super neat. But anyway, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share.